All right, check the hydraulics. Looks good from here, ready to roll.
Modern harvesters gather thousands of kilograms of grain every hour. Freshly harvested grain moves quickly to preserve its quality. Every shipment begins a carefully controlled supply journey. Cleaning starts long before flour reaches the bakery. Safe storage keeps every grain in ideal condition. Bulk transport delivers wheat efficiently to industrial mills. Reliable logistics keep production moving every single day. The journey continues as wheat reaches industrial milling. Now the grain enters the factory, where bread production truly begins. Inside the mill, every grain is prepared with precision. Mechanical separation removes unwanted material before milling.
Even microscopic metal particles are removed for complete safety. Even microscopic metal particles are removed for complete safety.
Only the highest quality grain continues through the process. Careful washing prepares every kernel for consistent milling. Balanced moisture ensures cleaner separation during milling. The milling process begins with carefully controlled pressure. Rolling instead of crushing protects the flour's natural quality. From wheat to fine flour, the foundation of every loaf is now complete. Freshly milled flour enters the bakery through a fully enclosed system. Every ingredient is measured with exact industrial precision. Powerful mixers create the foundation of every perfect loaf. The finished dough moves without interruption to the next stage.
Consistency begins with perfectly measured dough portions.
Gentle shaping prepares the dough for natural relaxation. Time and warmth strengthen every future loaf. Precision molding gives every loaf its familiar shape. Each loaf is positioned for its final rise. Now the risen dough is ready to become fresh bread. The transformation begins as heat turns dough into bread. Controlled heat gives every loaf its signature volume.
Perfect crust forms through carefully balanced heat.
Fresh from the oven, every loaf begins its cooling journey. Careful cooling protects both texture and freshness.
Automation removes every loaf with remarkable precision. Advanced vision systems inspect every loaf in seconds.
Stable cooling prepares bread for perfect slicing. Automation keeps every loaf perfectly synchronized.
Now every loaf is prepared for its final finishing process.
Precision blades create perfectly even slices without damaging the loaf. Every loaf is aligned before entering its protective package.
Automation protects freshness from the very first moment.
Every package is sealed for safety and traceability. Clear labeling ensures complete product traceability. Multiple safety checks protect every loaf before shipment. Automation keeps production both fast and accurate. Every shipment begins with perfectly organized stacking. Before reaching stores, every batch must pass its final quality checks. Every production batch undergoes strict quality verification. Consistency begins with careful visual examination. Every gram is verified to meet exact specifications.
Proper moisture helps preserve freshness and shelf life.
Scientific testing confirms every loaf's ideal texture.
Food safety is verified through continuous laboratory monitoring.
Data confirms that every standard has been achieved.
Every package is inspected before entering distribution.
Only approved batches continue to customers around the world.
Every finished pallet is stored under carefully controlled conditions.
Smart inventory systems keep fresh bread moving every day.
Every shipment is verified before leaving the factory. Protective wrapping keeps every shipment secure during transport.
Fresh bread is loaded with speed and precision for delivery. Every shipment is confirmed before beginning its journey.
From one factory, millions of loaves begin their daily journey.
Hours after baking, fresh bread is ready for families everywhere.
And this is how modern factories produce bread loaves from start to finish.
From golden wheat to fresh daily bread, every loaf is the result of precision, technology, and the dedication of countless skilled hands.